Hey there. Today I'll be showing you how you can deploy your software project to Vercel using the Vercel CLI. So as you can see, I have a very simple front-end project here. It's a Next.js project. So it's very simple. But before we start, I'll be showing you how you can install Vercel on your local machine because you need to install it globally. So to deploy to Vercel, there are 4 ways in which you can deploy, and we'll be looking at the second one, which is Vercel CLI. So yeah, that one, as you can see, I'm reading the docs. Yeah, that's the command that we'll be running. But then, let me show you how you can install Vercel on your local machine. So you go, there's a link down there. That's the command. But then, you might be having Vercel installed on your local machine. That's if you have ever installed it before. So you can check the version by running Vercel --version. So like the current version is version 34. So if you don't have it installed, you can just run pmi-g Vercel and use the latest flag. So because I have it, I won't be installing. So I skip this step. Then you need to be authenticated to deploy. So you will have to log in. And in the docs, as you see down there, there's login. So you click on that. Then it's very simple. It's just Vercel space login. And once you log in, if you look at the root of your folder, there is a file that will be created. The file is .vercel. If you created an account with GitHub, you use GitHub to log in. Then click on that link. It might ask you for permission, just as you see. Then wait for a few seconds, and it will tell you login success. So now we are ready to deploy. So to deploy, you run the command Vercel, but that will push the code to the preview mode. So you run Vercel, just wait for a few seconds, then you can skip. So for that, yes, we want to use that. We want a yes. Link, no, we want to start a new project. So give it a name. You can name it whatever you want. So you can leave the rest as they are. Just click enter and wait now. While you wait, you can click on the inspect URL and see the preview of your build. So yeah, you click that. It might ask for permission. As you can see, the project is building. I'm on a hobby account, so that's why it might take long. Yeah, it usually takes less than a minute on pro accounts. And there you go. Your project has been successfully deployed. But then that is in preview mode. The reason why I'm able to see it because I'm logged in my Vercel account. Push to production, you'll use Vercel, then add the --prod flag, and that will push it to production, and everyone else who has the link can access the website. And as you can see there, there is that current whatever. So let me show you how you can add environment variables and a domain. If you go there, you can see under settings, there is environment variables. That's where you set all the environment variables. Okay. Then to add a domain, click on domain. Then add your domain there. Just the domain, not the URL. So if it's test.com, use test.com. If it's .co, use .co, and so forth. Yeah, so you'll have to configure your DNS records, and that's it. That's how simple it is to deploy to Vercel using the Vercel CLI. So, and last, before you leave, you want to log out on your editor. Just run Vercel logout, and as you see, this is the file that I told you.